Welcome back to a new video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We are so close to 500 subs. I think as of right now, we're missing 11. So if you're not subbed yet, click that subscribe button. We're always doing and creating more car content for you guys. Especially
Each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love.
But today, I'm going to be replacing the shocks on my hood because the old ones give out. So I'm going to try and get it on video to show you what I'm talking about. So if you already have a C6 Corvette, you probably have a good idea because this is kind of a common thing. Yes, I know my car is absolutely filthy. I'm about to get it cleaned up here soon. All right. So the stock shocks, it's not too bad right now because we're on flat ground and it's not windy in this garage. But what happens is, I'll have Dave demonstrate here. You can just barely do anything and it'll fall down. So he barely used any pressure there. So like when the wind hits it at a car meet or something, it's always coming down. And I've always been afraid of like a kid or somebody being under it when it comes down because they don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and replace these and kind of give you guys a process on doing it if you have one yourself. If you're doing this yourself, you probably should get a 2x4 or something to prop the hood up because when we undo these, it's gonna obviously take the pressure off of that, so this will fall down on you. So try and find 2x4, that's what we're trying to do now, or something you can stick under there, maybe even a broom. Get creative. Come on, if you do it at home, post in the comments what you use to prop your hood. Looks like, what are we gonna be using? What's the tool of the day? A broomstick. All right. Update, that broom handle was a little bit too long, so we ended up getting, I don't even know what this is a breaker bar of some sort? Yep. We got this breaker bar and we used some Amazon padding here to keep it from cutting into this felt material. First things first, let me get my flashlight on this so you can see. On these struts there's a little tab, you can kind of see the outline of it here. So you pull that tab back and then this just pops off. So really the only tool that you need to do this is probably just a flathead screwdriver, honestly. Okay. There's one, so now you can see it here. You get the flathead underneath this tab right here and pull back on the same time that you're pulling back on this. There's one side done. I haven't checked the other part of it, but I'm assuming it's the same. Yeah, it is. This one's quite a little bit harder to get to though. Same on the bottom here, so you can see here. Let's get the screwdriver in there and lift up, and it'll come right off. Same process. All right, guys. So you gotta really watch. really pay attention. Make sure that you get the stop on there good, because it just fell on us.
I heard it start slipping.
All right, so we got the top side off. Drop a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching Dave about getting
Well, killed. I don't think I really saw it, but
where'd all that water come from? Where did that come from?
all the hood whenever it slung.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Talking about ADD.
Alright, so this right here is a whore to get to.
Demonetized.
No worries, guys. I don't have 1,000 subs yet. I can cuss all I want. Come on. There we go. Alright, guys. So, I'm not going to tell you which brand to order. I'll be honest, my mom got these. She was replacing, or she wanted me to replace her hood struts on her Acura MDX. So she went ahead and bought me a couple while she ordered hers. Since they, I guess, were on sale. But anyways, this company is Vapagoo, I guess is how you pronounce that. What do you think, Dave?
Vapagoo, something, I don't know.
Doesn't really matter. Anyways, they look the same as the OEM ones. I'll show you. You can see here. See if we can get a little bit better light on this. So when you're putting them back in, the old ones are super similar to this. So you just take a screwdriver and get under this, lift it up, pop it back on there, same to get it off. So hopefully you guys can see that all right on the video. But anyways, this is a pretty simple process. I don't know how much you paid for them. I think they're only like 20 bucks. So if you're having an issue with yours, definitely worth ordering. It's one of those peace of mind things. I really do get scared that somebody's gonna, actually I take that back. At a car show, somebody did hit their head. It wasn't a little kid or anything, but still, it's kind of embarrassing too. So let's go ahead and get them back on over here. I'm gonna have Dave put the flashlight on so you can see a little bit better where to install them, and we will go from there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install on the driver's side. So I'm gonna put the base in first down on the bottom, and then I'm gonna do the top. I don't know if that's right or wrong, but that's what we're going with, so. Okay.
Hold on, I'll get the flashlight.
All right, yeah.
I don't know where it's at.
I'll find it. We're gonna let Daddy Dave get the flashlight here so we can see a little bit better what we're doing, if we can find it. Just take it inside.
If you don't edit this, that flashlight is not the one I'm looking for.
Okay.
Because I know people are gonna be like,
Oh, there's a flashlight right there.
oh.
Oh, it's in your pocket. All right, so Daddy Dave's gonna get up close and personal down here. See if you can shine it up. Put it right here at my head so you can see what we're doing.
Well, then you ain't gonna be able to see.
All right, there you go. I know, just so they can see. I'm gonna try to just pop this on. See if it works. Yep, that one's on. This one should be the same.
Hold on.
Good idea. All right, all right. All right, so when you do it, push the hood up and then drop it down a little bit. That should be it. A little bit slack there.
See, you can pull it off.
No,
It works.
I don't like that slack. I don't like that at all,
Yeah,
actually.
just send it.
All right, well.
And look, that one is holding up the hood.
It is just Amazon, but I mean, I guess you can't expect much more. Now I gotta find what I did with the other one. Here it is. And we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. I guess I did put them on the right side.
I don't think it matters.
All right, let's test the shut and all that good stuff. Still recording? God, I hate that. Jesus. All right, pop the hood, Daddy Dave. I got you.
Help if you unlock the car.
There you go. All right, so we're gonna do a little open test here. It should pick itself up after, yeah.
Jesus.
It comes up a little strong. I think what I actually can do, y'all, I'm gonna try and find something to stick in that little groove just so it takes a slop out. So put it down so you can see there's quite a little bit of play here, which is probably what you get when you buy cheap stuff off of Amazon, like for car parts and stuff. So I'm not upset, it is what it is. But I'm gonna try and get something to stick in there, that way it doesn't move as much and it shouldn't come out. So sit rep, hang tight, I'm gonna try to find something and I will video it right back when I get it back going. All right guys, so long story short, couldn't find anything to stick in there. I tried getting a piece of a shop towel, but it just fell out. There's really no way to get it stuck in there. So for now, I guess we're just gonna have to live with it being a little sloppy. The good news is it's definitely not gonna come down with the wind because it's a lot harder to pull down than it was. Bad news is I'll know that this is like this and now you guys will know it's like that, but it's not a big deal. It serves the purpose that I need it to. So I guess we are done with that for today. But again, thank you guys for stopping in. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Again, we're right at 500. And I plan on doing some sort of giveaway when I get to 1,000 subs. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but if you're new to the channel or if you're into cars again, you know, just hit that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video, if it was helpful. Other than that, that's it, guys. I hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.